Hey, what's going on? This is my week one video of things I learned this week. From the first video I watched, which was the leadership lecture video, I took away learning the different theories and approaches in leadership. The two main ones that I focused on, the two main ones that I learned the difference between was trait approach and behavior approach. Trait approach basically being focusing on the traits of the leader. Is this leader intelligent? Is he charismatic? Is he confident in his decisions and things of that sort? Also, these leaders are born with these traits, so they're naturally that person. They act as that. They've been that way since they were born. So it's not something that they've learned or something that they picked up. Then you go into the behavior approach, which focuses on how the leader acts and what he does as a leader, or he or she does as a leader. An example of this could be, is this leader considerate? Is he caring about his team? Does he build healthy relationships? And also, is he, while also building these relationships, is he stern about, setting goals and standards that need to be efficiently met? My key takeaway from that video was that the best leaders and the most successful leaders can balance both of these approaches. Going to the next video, which talked about the psychological processes in organizations. First thing I took away was the social perception, which basically talks about the social perception, which basically talks about how we interpret information that we get from others, and that's crucial for leaders because it affects how they interact with their team, or how they interact with their team. And that basically talks about, whether they can read their emotions and understand how they're acting, or their motivations, or their behaviors. One of the theories I got from the other video was the path goal theory, which talked about how leaders can, boost their team's performance by, clearly setting pathways to goals, eliminating the obstacles, and providing help and support to their team. Overall, in the other videos, I basically took away that, these theories mainly emphasize the importance of being an adaptable leader and adapting, your leadership style and changing your leadership style so that it meets the needs of their team, or, effectively helps complete the task at hand. And overall, from this week, just from the material that I went over and, watched and read, I basically had to go back and look at my own leadership ways. Being a graduate assistant and leading these mentors and being over the Gonzaga Scholars, just trying to figure out basically looking at my leadership style and how I'm a leader, and how I affect my team, and then thinking about how I can effectively help them boost their performance, whether it's in the classroom or whether it's being a person in the community. Thank you.